So what I'm doing, we got the fast water coming down through here. The fish are actually holding in pockets in the fast water. I had one take out there. Just caught one here on the edge. They're gonna be anywhere along this edge. They go to the slower water here in the middle. They don't like that area generally because there's gonna be pike or lake trout that could eat them. So they're gonna be in the faster water or on the inside edges here. And what I'm doing with the mouse pattern, and you can do this different mice patterns, but this gurgler seems to work really well, is I'm holding the rod tip up high, shaking it as it goes across and letting the current do all the work after I cast it out. And then as it comes to the end here, then I'll strip it back, little slow strips. And you never know where the fish are gonna hit. Somewhere in there, could be out in the faster water, they see it and they'll chase it, or right here on the edge. Okay, take a step in. Oh, there's a little guy right there. Just took it right here at right in front of me. That is so cool. Oh, that's a beautiful brookie. This is what we're looking for. Oh, look at that. So I think there's gonna be a bunch down here on the edge, but I have one hit right out there in the faster water. See if I can get his head up. Using 3X tippet. There we go. Beautiful. All right, oh, fly already popped out. Not bad, look at that. Let him go right now, there he goes. Beautiful.